Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select plane, sketch. Base dimension is 75, 64 and 45. Here you can see R17. Thickness is 10 mm. Select center line. Select line. Select circle. Again select line. Select tangent. Select line and circle both sides. Select symmetric. Give the dimensions 75 mm. This diameter is 17 into 2 34. This is 45. Here to hole center 64 mm. Select delete segment. Okay, thickness is 10 mm. Next you can see there is a one circular part from the 90 mm distance, diameter 44 and 34, length is 82 mm, inner diameter is 16 mm. So for that take one plane, select plane, distance is 90 mm. Okay, select plane, sketch, select center line, select line, give the dimensions. This is 8 mm. (22). This is 17. This thickness is 6 mm. So overall length is 82. Finish sketch. Select revolve. Okay. Next, one plate 10 mm thickness to connect the both parts. Select this surface, sketch. Select rectangle. Thickness is 10 mm. Okay. Select extrude. Here select up to next surface. Okay. Next you can see there is one rib 10 mm thickness both the side. For that select this plane, sketch, select line, select tangent. Already it is in tangent. Okay, select here profile rib, change the direction here, thickness we want 10 mm. Okay, select rib, mirror, select the center plane, apply. That's it friends. So you can compare both. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment please. Go to view, go to appearances. So you can choose the material here, which material you want. Like this you can choose the material. So you can change the color also there. Save the part. So that's it friend, today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. So here you can see there are views is there. So this is the this is ISO view we need to set before. So like this we can see the views. So if you select more appearances, so as per this we can change the color. See, color has changed. So that's it friend, today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video friends.